Want to make your Excel sheet cleaner? Here's how to remove grid lines in seconds. So you need to go to View tab and then you need to go to Grid Lines. Uncheck the grid lines and boom, here you go. Your Excel, they're gone. Let's make a dynamic report for sales team expenses. So instead of copying this, want something that changes when the source data changes as well. So instead of copying this, I will just use the camera tool. So it's a hidden tool. You cannot see it here, anywhere here. So you need to go to Quick Access Toolbar and click the drop down and go to More Commands and then select the commands not in the ribbon. So we need to find camera here. So camera is here. So we need to click and then add and then select OK. So now we have this hidden gem available here. So I just want to create a dashboard for the sales team. So I just need to select my range and then click our tool and then need to go where I want to paste it. So you can paste it on this sheet, but I want to paste it on the other sheet. So I'll go here and just do one click. There you go. So I have this picture here. So it's a picture. I can apply all the picture formats on there like this. And then as it's a live snapshot. So let's see if the source value changes and these values changes as well. Let's go to our data and then let's change this value from 2188 and press enter. Let's go check if our values changes in our snapshot as well. There you go. So our value changes here as well. So this is a great tool when you want to create your reports very efficient. Today I'm going to show you 3 best shortcuts for Excel. The first one is how to remove duplicate. It's Alt A plus M and select all and select OK. 3 duplicate values have been found and select OK. All the duplicate values are removed now. The second shortcut is Sum shortcut. Just click the cell and press Alt equal and press enter. It will do some for you. The third one is shortcut is for the graph. Select your data and press Alt plus F1 and it will give you a simple chart for your data where you can apply different formats. Let's make an actual to target graph by using very simple techniques. To do this, you need to select your data and then you need to go to insert and then click on recommended charts and then click on all charts. Today we're going to use combo charts and make sure actual is using clustered column and target is using line and select OK. Now format the chart and put it where you want it. Now select your line and then go to this pen bucket and then select no line. We're going to use marker for this. Go to marker and then go to marker option and then select built-in and we're going to use rectangle today and change the size to 15 because and then select OK. Now you can add your title or maybe you can delete it and delete this one and here you go. You got an actual to target graph by using very simple. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate rank in Excel. So you need to click on the cell and use rank. We're going to select this rank and then we need a number. Which one is this? And then we need to select the reference. So we're going to put comma and this is the reference. And then we're going to make this absolute by pressing F4 and then close the bracket and then press enter. And copy this formula down in all the cells. I'm going to double click here and now you have all the values rank. I have this student data with their marks obtained and I have ranked them based on their marks. But I want to sort this data in ascending order. So to do this, I need to select my data and then I need to go to sort and filter and then there is no ascending sorting here. So I need to go to custom sort and then I want to sort them by their rank and I want to sort them in ascending order. So I'm gonna select smallest to largest or maybe I can create a custom list. I can create number 1, 2, 3 and so on, but I'm going to sort them with smallest to largest and then select OK. Now I have this data ranked according to their marks obtained. So number 1 is the highest marks and number 2 is the second marks and number 20 is the lowest marks. Let's make an inventory stock dashboard. So we're going to make this dashboard interactive to show the products in stock and the products out of stock. So to show the products in stock, we're going to use filter formula. So we're going to put equal and we're going to use filter formula. We're going to write filter and then for array, we're going to select all of the products and the quantities and then we're going to put comma and then include the quantity and then we're going to put the condition if the stock is greater than 0 and then we're going to close the bracket and press enter. So we have all the products here that are in stock. To show the products out of the stocks, we're going to copy this formula and we're going to put the same formula here. Just change the condition to from greater than to equal to 0 and then press enter. It's showing an error here because there is no product which is out of stock. But when we will change the product that is not in stock, it will automatically fill this data here in the items out of stock. So for example, we're going to sapphire brooch and then we're going to press enter. It automatically updates here. Again, when this changes, when the record changes, it will automatically update the data in here. So it's automatically updating data here. Whenever the stock goes to 0, then it will update the items here. In this way, you can make this interactive dashboard to show the items. Today, I'm going to show you how to calculate increase percentage between sales. So I have last year's sales and I have this year's sales. To calculate the percentage, I need to write this formula. I need to press equal and then put a bracket and then select this year values minus last year values and then close the bracket. And then I am gonna divide these values with the last year values and then press enter. It will give you your percentage increase between the sales. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a deadline tracker in Excel. So to do this, I need to go to the cell where I want to make a deadline tracker. I need to go here and press equal and then select the cell and then minus today. I'm going to select today. I'm not going to put any value here. Just close the bracket here. It will give today. And then I need to go to click cell here and then I need to go to format cell and then I need to put this formula color 10 for general. Color 10 is green for the days remaining and then red color is for the days overdue and then blue color is for today. So I already applied this format. That's why I'm having today here. And then I need to select this or put this formula in the comment so you can copy and then select OK and then go here and double click it. Now you have a deadline tracker here. Today, I'm going to show you how to calculate age in Excel by using a hidden function. So I have names and I have their dates of birth. I want to calculate their age in their year format. So I need to write this formula here, equal dated. No function comes up because it's a hidden function. Now I need to put bracket and then select my date of birth cell and then put comma, write today function and then close the bracket and then put the comma and then put quotation marks and then put y and then again quotation marks and then close the bracket and press enter. Then it will give you the age in years. So it's 18 and I need to copy down this formula in all cells. I'm just going to double click here. Now you have age in years for all your cells. This is the quickest way to calculate age in Excel. Today, I'm going to show you how to assign grades to your students according to their marks. So today we're going to use if formula here. So we're going to put equal and then we're going to put this formula here, put equal if, and then we select the column with the marks in. If the marks are greater than or equal to 90, then give grade A. And if the marks are greater than or equal to 80, give them B. And if the marks are greater or equal to 70, give C. And if the marks are greater or equal to 60, then give D. And then close all the bracket and then put enter. It will give you grade. And then to copy down this formula, we'll just double click here and it will give the grades according to the marks. You can change the formula according to your criteria and then do this. Now, if you want to give different colors according to the grades, for example, I want to give green color to the A grade. So I can select my range and then I need to go to conditional formatting and then go to set up new rule and then select format cells only that contains and then in the cell value, select specific text containing A and then select format and then select your fill color. So I want to give green color, look at this green, and then want to then select OK and then select OK. So it will give the green color to the A grade. Same you can do for the B. So I go here, conditional formatting again, select new rule and select format cells only and then go to specific text and then select B and then format and I want to give lighter green color to B. So I'll select this one and then select OK. And then OK, it will give your color to the green. And now I want to select red for F. So I will go to again here, new rule, format cells only, specific text containing F and then go to format and then give red color to this and then select OK. It will give red color to the grade F. So do you know the quickest method to copy your sheet? So you don't need to go through long step. You just hold your control key and click and drag your sheet and it will copy your sheet for you. Do you know that you can use F7 to do an instant spell checker in your sheet? So all you need to do is select your data and then you can use F7, then press F7. It will do a spell checker for you. So here I have wrong spelling for project and then do change. Will change for you and then I have one wrong spelling here. So I will change this one too. Spell check complete, you're good to go. Do you know that you can use Control plus X/ shortcut to compare two lists? So for example, I have one list here for names 1 and second list is for names 2. So I want to compare them. I want to tell the difference between them. So I will select my data and then I will press Control plus / and it will tell the difference between the two columns. Then I can apply any color to show the difference. This is very useful for when you have large data and you want to tell the difference between two lists by using Control plus / shortcut. Let me know in the comment if you like this shortcut. Let's make color-coded drop-down menus. So I have these applications and I want to show their status, but I want a drop-down menu as well. So to create a drop-down menu, I just need to select my range where I want to add drop-down menu. Then I need to go to Data tab and then select Data Validation. And here I will select List and I want approved and not approved. Want approved, comma, not approved here. And then I will select OK. Now I have a drop-down list to show approve and not approve. And now I want to add colors to my drop-down list. So I will select my data and then I will go to conditional formatting and then set up a new rule. I will select use a formula to determine which cells. And then I will write a formula here. I will put equal and then put $sign and then put the cell. So it's D5 here. And then I will put equal again. And then I'll put quotation marks and then I'll put approved in between. And then I will select the format and then I will select the green color and then I will say OK and then select OK again. And I will set up a new rule as well again. And then this time I'll do the same. I'll just put this formula equal $sign D5 equal not true. And then this time I will select the light orange color for this and then select OK. Now when I come here and select approved and not approved, it will change color according to the selected value.